guys. So let's start the audience targeting with one normal simple example. Imagine you are at a wedding and DJ suddenly starts playing heavy metal music rather than Bollywood music, right? And slowly, whole people who were at the dance floor they leave. Why? Because their vibes are wiped off. Their vibes are wiped off. So, will you find some similarities in that? Let me tell you about it. The similarities are wrong timing, wrong audience, and wrong music, right? And the same thing stands for marketing also. Wrong time, wrong audience, and wrong presentation of ad. And at the end, your business firm bears the losses and higher the cost, lower the profits. You will ask why? How? Let me give you one more example. Let's take a belated examples. You are selling the luxury watches, right? And your ads are not shown to the people who are seeking for luxury watches. Your ad is shown to the people who are not seeking or even didn't find about it. Like for example, students who are living 500 miles away from a business point, pickup point, right? So, are they going to be a potential customers? Are they going to buy? No, they will not. So, your ad comes to the point where your potential customers aren't seeing it, aren't watching it, aren't getting in their feed, but who are not your actual audience or who are not your actual potential customers right now are shown those ads. So, what will it affect? It will increase the cost and decrease the profit, right? So, marketing isn't about shouting louder. Are you getting my point? Marketing isn't about shouting louder to the every public. Yes, I'm selling this. Just buy. No, it's about whispering to the right ears. Right ears. Right ears means to telling those people who are your right audience, potential buyers. Okay? So let's take again an example. Firm A and firm B, right? Firm A spends $10,000 in marketing, but not targeting the right audience. They are only and only targeting whole people, whole everyone, not a single person. Everyone is my customer, right? Is it always right? No. There is no brand that everyone could be their customer, right? If someone is selling grocery, it's not possible that students and kids are also watching grocery. Are they going to buy? No. And if there are chances, but it is like 1% or 2%, not like 100% or 90%. They aren't become your potential buyers, right? So, what will affect? Low sales and waste of money. How? Because on spending on campaigns, ad showing, what will it bring? It will bring cost, but your cost isn't recovering. Why it's not recovering? Cause it is shown to the wrong audience who aren't your potential buyers. So sales decrease, profit decrease, wrong targeting, cost increased, right? And similarly, there is firm B, company B, business B. They are targeting right audience with the budget of only $5,000. What will it bring? Yes, high the sales, higher the profit, and lower the cost. Cause they are specifically targeting their audience who are their potential buyers or who needs or seeking for their services and products, right? Right. So let's take little deeper to it. Targeted marketing. What does targeted marketing brings? It brings higher conversion rates and lower the ad cost. Yes, once you will start backuping your costs, it will higher the revenue, right? Right. Then it builds trust. Trust means what? Who are seeking for your, they will be interested for your product and services, and they will build trust through your advertisement. Yes, I can buy this product, I can buy the services, I could be customer of this company. Why? Because they are giving me proper solution of what am I seeking for, right? Creates loyal customer. Most important, loyal customers means what? Whatever loyal customers mean, in any situation they will buy from you. And why? Because you are connected with them, you are bringing your advertisement, you are running campaigns on the trends and putting their problems first and putting their solutions first. They will build internal loyalty towards your firm, right? So, as per the study says that business using targeted audience are getting the marketing profits of more up to 30 to 50%, means revenue is generated through 30 to 50% more than the firms which are not using targeted audience strategy in marketing, right? So now I told you what are the benefits of it, of targeted audience, what are the benefits, how it is important, what will it bring. Yes, but now there will be the major question, right? That what, how can you target the perfect audience, right? Let's study. So first, let's break this puzzle into 4 parts: demographic, interest, behavior, and look-alike audience. Let's first go for demographic. Demographic means gender, age, income, and location of people. Means if you are selling your something services, let's take a related example, luxury watches, right? You are selling luxury watches, you will target the age group of and in that specification you are innovative luxury watches. Okay, so you will target the audience of, yes, audience of specific age group 18 to 25, right? 18 to 65. Then you will target location, you will target richer areas where rich people or wealthy people used to live, or people who can afford your watches and who could be seeking for your watches. You will target that areas, right? Then you will target gender. If there is a little like in a pink color, it in pink color, it in blue color, it is an innovative colors like radium and like much more. You will target specific gender. Yes, if it is pink in color, it's feminine in nature. Nature means its outer look, it's feminine. You will target gender of female. If it is looking like a bold, it is of metal steel, which is in bold colors. You will target males, right? And income group means a people who are having income, who could buy your product and service, or who could be seeking for your product and services, afford, buy. Okay, so we joined the puzzle of demographic. Then it comes interest. Interest means build the tower. Building of a, if you are building a tower, interest is the first floor. Yes, you need to grow for first floors, right? So that what they watch, what they search, what they buy, what they search for on a search engine, they will search. You will target those people who are searching for luxury, high quality, build quality, or something in limited amount of quality watches, right? Then you will target that audience who has, like, who watches the unboxing of high quality watches and everything. Then yes, then you will hit or you will target that audience who are searching on buying those products which are luxurious, which are of high quality, etc. Yes. So puzzle 2 is done. Interest, behavior. Behavior means what a person buys. He is buying from online cart, he is buying from specific website, he is buying through hand to hand, or everything you will search and you will target for that audience, right? Then it comes on fourth, look alike. Means it is like people find you are actually having audience who are good and loyal customers. Now look alike. Look alike means a customers which are having as same as characteristics of your existing customers or loyal customers, and you will target same audience twice. Means same audience and look like a same audience for your sales of product and services, right? So marketing, the puzzle is solved. Now it comes on, it is like, let's take a little thought of it. If you sell premium watches, should you target students? Just answer me in comment box. No. Let's see who could answer it. Okay? So answer me in comment box. Now we will go for common mistakes. Common mistakes while doing audience targeting. We all do mistakes. It is a thought in Gujarati. Manas matra bhulne patra. Means human is made from mistakes, does the mistake and then rebuild itself and never do the same mistake again, right? That person is called a human. It was a little joke. So first mistake, there are majorly seen 3 mistakes. So we will go for first. It is like everyone is my customer, as firm A, as Maya Bhai. મારા તો બધા જ લોકો મારા કસ્ટમર છે, નાના બચ્ચાથી લઈને દાદા સુધી. સમજાણું? Are you getting my point? Everyone could never be the customer. If you target a right one for a right product, it could be. Got it? Then the second biggest mistake is ignoring retargeting. Ignoring retargeting means a person, let's take an example of our own self. Are we going to buy from a first website or first advertisement we seemed? No, we not. We will buy when we will see 3 to 4 times or maybe more than that times the advertisement, right? Okay, got it. So you must retarget, you must need to remind. Retargeting means reminder to the customer, yes, we exist. If you are seeking for luxury brand, we are the best, like this. Are you getting my point? So never forget the retargeting. Okay. Then the third biggest mistake comes is not testing audience, not doing A/B testing. A/B testing is one of the option in Facebook ads also. So A/B testing means what? First advertisement, first marketing stunt, and second marketing or advertisement. Both are compared. Which is more relatable will be the winner, and which that will be continue for further advertisement, and which is not more relatable, not more effective, will be stopped showing right now. Okay, so let's come to the thought. Think of audience targeting is like cricket match. It is like cricket match. If you don't know bowler's strategy, how will you hit 6? If you don't know bowler strategy, what is bowler strategy over here? Bowler's strategy is over here the interest, behavior, demographic, and lookalike audience which we are going to target. We don't know about them, we don't know about outcome, then how will we get profit? Are you getting my point? Okay. Now, how to win the audience targeting? How can we win? How can we conquer the market in the term of audience targeting? There are 3 major steps. Let's discuss. Create an ideal customer avatar. Now you will think, what?